Hey folks, I'm Stormy with First Choice HVAC and Plumbing, and today we're at a client's house and we'll be replacing a broken thermostat. This client wants this thermostat upgraded, something a little more functional, something easier for them to read. We'll be installing an Ecobee thermostat with the wireless sensor, and we'll be right back with you. So with the old thermostat, being that it wasn't a digital thermostat and Wi-Fi, it did not have a common wire wired. So we're going to go up to the furnace and check the wiring at the furnace and potentially add the common wire at the furnace. Alright, so we've located the common wire that's in the furnace, stripped it back, and we're going to wire it in on the common terminal on the control board. We've got the thermostat install all wrapped up, ran and tested, everything's working properly. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.